Ever wondered why the Tapejara, a prehistoric flying reptile, sported such an unusually large crest on its head? This crest certainly sets the Tapejara apart in the realm of pterosaurs. It's a unique structure, not just in size but also in shape. Unlike the crests of other pterosaurs, the Tapejara's crest was tall and thin, shooting upwards from the back of its skull, almost like a sail catching the wind. Now, what could have been the purpose of such a dramatic headpiece? Well, theories abound. Some suggest it might have been used for display, a flashy billboard to attract mates or intimidate rivals. Others propose it could have played a role in communication, allowing these ancient creatures to signal one another across vast distances. And still, others speculate it might have been a tool for thermoregulation, helping the Tapejara to manage its body temperature. The Tapejara's crest, while unusual, was just one of many fascinating aspects of its anatomy. The Tapejara was more than just its crest. It was a marvel of prehistoric engineering. So, let's take a closer look at this fascinating creature. The Tapejara was a medium-sized pterosaur, roughly the size of a modern-day seagull. Its body length was about 1 meter, with a wingspan of nearly 2 meters. Despite its substantial size, the Tapejara was exceptionally light, tipping the scales at just around 5 kilograms. This lightness, coupled with its broad wings, allowed it to take to the skies with ease. Now, speaking of those wings, they were quite the feat of engineering. The Tapejara's wings were formed by a skin and muscle membrane that stretched from its elongated fourth finger all the way down to its hind limbs. This design granted it not just the ability to fly, but to maneuver with agility and precision in the air. But of course, a creature needs to eat, and the Tapejara was well equipped for its diet of fish. Its sharp beak was perfect for spearing fish from the water's surface, while its teeth were adept at gripping and holding onto its slippery prey. This diet suggests that the Tapejara was likely a coastal creature, spending much of its time hunting over the ocean. Yet the Tapejara's lifestyle wasn't solely about survival. Evidence suggests it was likely a social creature too. The presence of its elaborate crest hints at a certain level of social interaction, possibly used for display in courtship rituals or to establish dominance within a group. So, from its lightweight body to its broad wings, from its sharp beak to its distinctive crest, the Tapejara was a creature of the skies like no other. It was a master of its environment, perfectly adapted to both the physical demands of flight and the social dynamics of pterosaur life. The Tapejara was a creature perfectly adapted to its environment, from the tip of its crest to the end of its tail. In the next scene, we'll sum up everything we've learned about this fascinating prehistoric creature. Stay tuned. The Tapejara, with its distinctive crest and specialized anatomy, was a true marvel of the prehistoric world. This pterosaur, hailing from the Cretaceous period, boasted a unique large cranial crest that was potentially used for display or other forms of communication. The crest, combined with the Tapejara's beak, formed a magnificent silhouette that would have been hard to miss. Delving into its anatomy, the Tapejara wielded a robust and adaptable body structure. Its wings, attached to a strong, muscular body, enabled it to be a proficient flyer, while its lightweight skeletal system made it agile and quick. The exact purpose of its crest remains a mystery, but theories suggest it may have played a significant role in attracting mates or asserting dominance. The Tapejara's unique features and adaptability paint a vivid picture of its life during the Cretaceous period. In understanding the Tapejara, we gain a glimpse into the incredible diversity and adaptability of life in the prehistoric world.